In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to OneNote. This tutorial will guide you through the process seamlessly, making it easy for you to enhance your notes with multimedia content. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to locate the video you want to embed in your OneNote page. Perhaps it's a video from YouTube, Vimeo, or another supported service like Microsoft Stream or Sway. Once you've found the video, you'll need to copy its URL. If you're using YouTube as an example, navigate to the video via your browser and simply highlight the URL in the address bar at the top. Then right-click and select Copy or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy the link. Next, open OneNote on your computer. OneNote is a versatile tool that keeps all your notes and multimedia assets organized, and adding a video can enrich the content you have. Navigate to the page where you want the video to appear. This is as simple as clicking on the tab or section in OneNote where you maintain this information. Then select the spot on the page where you'd like the video to be placed. Once you're on your desired page and location, you're ready to embed the video. You can do this by pasting the copied link from earlier. To paste it, you can either right-click and choose Paste or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V. As soon as you paste the link, OneNote will automatically convert it into an embedded video player. This means the video won't just be a link, but will be viewable right there on your OneNote page. It's helpful to know that OneNote supports a variety of online video services. Besides YouTube, you can embed videos from platforms like Vimeo, Microsoft Stream, and Sway, among others. This flexibility ensures that no matter the source, you can usually add the content you need to your notes. Embedding videos can make your notes much more interactive and engaging, and as you've seen, it's a straightforward process. This feature is particularly beneficial for students, educators, or anyone looking to compile comprehensive, multimedia-rich notes or presentations. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to embed videos into OneNote, and you can start using this technique to bring your notes to life. Whether you're using it for educational purposes, work, or personal projects, this nifty feature will certainly enhance your productivity and engagement. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and happy note-taking.